how to make money on people per hour is as a logo rebranding specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills. So for example, if I was a visitor to the platform or a business owner looking for someone or some freelancer who can do logo rebranding skills, I will just come to the search box in here and enter the skill I'm looking for or the skill I'm searching for. And here I'm going to see all of the freelancers that are doing the same skill like I'm looking for, and I'm going to see all of their profiles, the prices that they request for the skill, how much they're getting paid per hour, how are they describing that skill of them, and also I'm going to see their descriptions, how are they talking about themselves and the experiences that they had in the past. And then I'm going to choose one of them to hire. So I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile if you are a freelancer just like those people in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or to the visitors of the platform. So here I'm going back to the main page and click on the freelancer button in your top right. And then you'll proceed to create your account, and here make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email. And here you fill your usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to drop my email and my password. And then click on login. And here, as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you are serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you are a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. And as you can see, complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here you drop your profile picture, then you proceed to add in your job title, and you have here a small example, award-winning web developer. And for us, we're just going to go with logo rebranding specialist. Then you proceed to enter in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills you can enter is 15. So make sure to use those spots wisely. So let's start with logo. And here we have logo design. And we have logo, business logo, vector logo, logo animation. Let's choose 3D logo as well. And here let's go with rebranding. We have here rebranding. Let's go with branding. Let's go with brand design, brand. You have here brand identity. And we have brand name, marketing, brand strategy, brand development, consulting, management. Let's go with brand strategy as well. And that's it. Then you proceed to add in the about you. So in this section, you're going to describe yourself to buyers. And guys, in order to do that, the thing I like to do and the thing that works for me is going back to the other freelancers profiles and checking their profiles, seeing their descriptions, how are they talking about their skill, how are they describing their skill to the visitors, and just checking their description, checking their hourly rate as well to get information about how we can set our profile as well. So let's go here to the search and click on search freelancers. And here you drop your the skill that you're looking for, logo rebranding specialist. And we're going to check all offers. So here we have all of the freelancers that are doing the skill we're looking for. So you're going to check some profiles and get some ideas about their descriptions and how are they talking, or how are they describing their skill. So this one have got a lot of sales, more than 4,000 sales, as you can see, and she's a top third, ranked in top 0.5% of people per hour. So let's read more about her description. And from the get-go, you'll notice that this is a very long description, but since it worked for her, that means it's working even though it's very long. I don't recommend you to do that, guys. Make sure to make your description brief and organized as well. Let's read what is very catchy about her description. We are a leading UK-based print design and web development agency, trading on people per hour since it started in 2009, with over 20 years experience in commercial and international environments. We specialize in graphic design, web development, print design, e-commerce development, mobile development, social media application, digital marketing, and more. Trusted by over 3,700 clients with a 99% 5.5 rating and having achieved more awards than any other on the site. We are the #1 choice for individuals and businesses alike. Get in touch today to see how we can help bring your project to life. Here is a quick service overview. So from the first paragraphs that I've read, it seems like those are the best freelancer agency that can do your print design or web development, as you can see in here. And they've made a lot of achievements. They have a lot of achievements, which is very good actually. So it looks like their name is well known in this industry. So let's check someone else's description just to get various ideas. Let's check this one's description. Pro design and bespoke logo design. This one also has approximately 4,000 sales. Let's check her description. Hello, through my love of technology, my hunger for innovation. So this is a good description, as you can see, guys. It's not very long like the one we saw before. So this is a good inspiration for us. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.